In this video, we are looking at the Shanling UA3, Shanling's latest mid-budget balanced USB dongle. This is priced at $110, and where can I open it? This is the thing, I believe. So this is the disadvantage of not having fingernails. I cannot be precise about this, and this slightly limits my abilities in some cases. Let's have a look. Now you guys can see uh, it has built-in buttons. You do not need to access the mobile phone to change the volume and skipping tracks, I believe. And this one houses their AK4493S. I'm not exactly sure if the S model is same as the 4493 they used with I think Shanling M5S. M5S had a 44932, I believe. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, I do think I'm not wrong in that case. This is the dongle. Looks nice. So is this the microphone? This will be interesting. If this is the microphone, this will be very interesting. Nice. High resolution audio and stuff. UA3. Here goes the connectors. These are the 4.4 and 3.5 mm connectors. This is the adapter. Do we get a cable inside? Yes. The signature Shanling cable. So this is good enough. Looks nice. Let's have a look at the case here. I'm not aware of the price of this case, but maybe it is free for the early birds. I'm not exactly sure. Those who buy it before others in the first batch or something like that. Wow, nice. Shanling is making fantastic cases for these little dongles. You guys can see, looks nice. Looks very good. So we are set. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.